Hello, and welcome to our Swastika Infotech. Today, we're diving into the world of ASP NET Core and comparing it with the traditional ASP.NET framework. If you're a web developer or just curious about modern web development technologies, you're in the right place. Let's get started. ASP NET Core is a modern, open-source, cross-platform framework for building web applications and services. Released by Microsoft, it is a redesign of the earlier ASP NET framework and comes with many new features and improvements. Here are some key points about ASP NET Core cross-platform. Unlike the traditional ASP NET framework, which is Windows-only, ASP NET Core runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux, high performance. ASP NET Core is designed to be lightweight and fast, offering high performance for web applications. Modular architecture. It is built with a modular architecture, allowing developers to include only the necessary components, reducing the overall footprint of the application. Unified MVC and Web API. ASP NET Core combines MVC and Web API, streamlining the development process. Dependency injection. Built-in support for dependency injection makes it easier to manage dependencies and improve testability. Cloud-ready. Optimized for modern cloud-based applications with built-in support for various cloud platforms. Now let's compare ASP NET Core and ASP NET Framework in more detail. First, runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Windows only. Next, high performance due to its lightweight and modular design. It's optimized for modern web applications. While robust, it's generally heavier and less performant compared to ASP.NET Core. Modular and scalable, allowing developers to include only the necessary components. Monolithic design with all components included by default. Built-in support for dependency injection. Requires third-party libraries for dependency injection. Simplified development with a unified approach to MVC and Web API, and better tooling support. Separate approaches for web forms, MVC, and Web API, which can be more complex to manage. Optimized for cloud, with built-in support for deploying to cloud platforms like Azure. Can be deployed to the cloud, but not as optimized for it as ASP NET Core. Finally, growing rapidly with strong community support and modern tooling. Mature ecosystem with extensive libraries and tools, but slower to evolve compared to ASP NET Core. In conclusion, ASP NET Core is a powerful, modern framework designed for today's web development needs, offering cross-platform support, high performance, and a modular architecture. On the other hand, the traditional ASP NET framework remains a robust choice for Windows-based applications with its mature ecosystem and extensive features. Choosing between the two depends on your project requirements and environment. If you're targeting cross-platform applications with modern cloud integration, ASP.NET Core is the way to go. If you're working within a Windows environment and rely on the mature features of the traditional framework, then ASP.NET Framework might be more suitable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy coding!